My father was a truck driver. He was one of the top drivers at his company and trained other drivers. What I know now is that he had a lot of pressure from a corporation, the company he worked for, because when you're talking about a corporation, you're talking about profits, and the most important thing being profits, and they'll do that sometimes at the expense of safety. Trucking accidents can be very devastating and catastrophic. If someone's injured in a semi-truck accident, the most important thing is your health, so make sure you're being taken care of. And then second, try to collect as much evidence as you can, whether it's photos, witnesses, contact information is important, anything you can find out without revealing too much about yourself and your injuries, because you don't know what those are at the time of the accident. Trucking companies send out someone immediately to inspect what happened in the accident, and they're only collecting evidence that will help them. They will gladly let something be destroyed or disappear that doesn't bode well for their defense. It's very important to contact an attorney following an accident because you need to preserve evidence, especially in semi-truck cases where there's a lot of documents that can suddenly disappear. Waiting too long to take action in a trucking accident case is very detrimental. That's why it's important to talk to an attorney about when you need to file the case by and to know that as soon as possible. Getting justice nowadays is taboo in a sense of filing a lawsuit and holding who should be held accountable because this was thrust into your life and you need to get your justice, to get your recovery, and to do that you need to act quickly. We operate on a contingency fee-based contract. That means you don't owe us any attorney's fees, case costs, or court expenses unless and until there's a recovery. In the event we don't win, you don't owe us anything. There's no hidden fees or anything like that. One of the biggest strengths Powell Klausing brings in trucking cases is we keep our volume of cases very low. We're very selective about our cases because we want to very much get along with our clients. Our clients are treated like family. They become like family. We also can spend more time on these cases if we take a lower volume, so we can make sure that we're giving the case all the attention it needs. If you've been involved in a trucking accident, we encourage you to call Powell Klausing, and we'll ensure that we give you the justice that you deserve.